Hi, if you struggle with Chopin Fantaisie, with this sweet sequence at bars 37 and following, then I try to help you a bit. I'll give you a structure, how you can structure your practice, and how to practice it, structured, so that you don't lose too much time. What you should maybe not do is like meaningless repetition of the sequence, like and then go to the bottom and go back and try randomly again. That will not lead you to success. I'm pretty sure you have to structure it, and you have first of all understand the musical structure. So that's here's a PDF which you can download later. And first we have to check out what musical structure we have here, and it's just it's C-sharp minor triad going down. What if we look closer, we will see basically it's not the whole thing. It's not E, G sharp, C sharp, E. It's always missing this note here. So if we say like that's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's only always 1, 3, 4. So we have here a triad and an octave, and that's it. Triad. Now it's a quarte. What's this in English? Fourth. Triad, triad, fourth, triad, triad, fourth. So first thing, you should know what a C sharp minor triad is, how you play it, and then just play it like this, blockwise. Maybe other direction also. So then you should know all the notes, of course, how they are, the names of the notes, and you should understand the function and structure of the triad. It will help you immensely. Of course, you should hear all that. You should be able to sing it. Na, 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 ba, da, dee. Yeah. Then I realized there are like two structures at the same time. I call it a lower structure and an upper structure. The upper structure is this octave. And if you play the octave like that, you will realize, oh, it's really simple. It's really just a triad, third, the root, fifth, third, root. It's actually simple stuff. The more complicated thing is the lower structure. What do I mean with the lower structure? Is this small melody here. So we we look only at these notes here, then we realize, oh, it's a melody on its own. Now I emphasize it, and I don't emphasize the octaves. Da, da, dee, da, 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 dee, da, dee, da, dee, da, dee, da. So if you only play the lower structure, maybe you make a pause now and try it out. What will come out? Yes, it's a melody in its own, which when I only play this part, the lower structure, okay, interesting. It's like a, it's actually the tonleiter, the scale, yeah, from the sixth, the flat sixth, to the root. So I really encourage you to look at these structures and have fun with them. So that's the structure without the octaves. So if you have a closer look at the lower structure musically, we have dee da, dee da, ba da. I don't know the English term for that. It's like eine Umspielung. It's like, I called it approach. And I like to use generally, I like the relative solmization. It's in German, we call it like that. So you call the root do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, so. And then you can singing wise feel the tension. Na, re, release. Na, tension, release. Re, do. So that's, here I have a little graphic. La, so, fa, mi, re, so. Oh, do. Sorry, here's the, should be do. Yeah. So that's the triad. Do, mi, so. And those are the approaches. La, so, fa, mi, re, do. Yeah. So I really highly encourage you not to play mechanically this stuff, but also feel these little underlying energy flows. It's like rivers, like a river, like the water flowing down the river. Na, dee, da, 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 da. So there is movement, there is feeling, there is energy. A lot of stuff is actually happening here. Yeah, good. That's the understanding part. Then how do we practice it? First, I already said I would play that blockwise. Of course, maybe slower. If you struggle with it, try to find other ways to variations. Oh. Or turn it around. Oops. So, yeah. Then I have play lower structure with fingering 1, 2. Yeah. So the right finger, it's always 3, 2. Even 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. So we play this lower structure with the right fingering. 3, 2. Try different rhythms with that. And yeah, play around with it. And now we add the octave. And for this, that's like 0.3 C. I play the first part of this lower structure plus, yeah, this lower octave thing. I add this note too. That was a failed mistake. I changed the rhythm. So by that we can connect these parts to each other. And notice that we have always the same fingering. That makes it also easier, like always 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Yeah, try this rhythm also. And now let's add the pinky, this part. I called it the second part of the lower structure. And we emphasize this part. This part is not so important. Opala. Yeah, now I got it. This. We only concentrate on the second part. So you can see it's a bit harder to play it, for me at least. And also here you can find, you can look for different rhythms that maybe will challenge you. Let's see. Oh, that's a hard one. Yeah, and so on. And now we take the same thing and add the thumb. Yeah, so now we have the whole thing together. We have all the different structures. We brought it back, and we can after this whole process, which will take you longer than this video, of course, it makes you very easy to now practice the whole thing and concentrate on the bigger scale. And I like that rhythm. So now we finished actually our structural work, and we can concentrate on the music, on the phrasing, or the velocity, or the colors, or whatever you want to bring in now. I try another rhythm maybe. I have to find something. Yeah, now I want to make a longer phrase. Di da di da 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 di da 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 da. Pause. Taka tika taka tika taka pause. Taka tika taka 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 pause. Let's see if I can do it. No, I cannot. So that was too hard for now. Let's make a shorter chunk of rhythm. Yeah, that's enough for now. Yeah. Okay. So I hope this idea of structuring such a passage will help you also. It does help me. It doesn't only help me, it's the only way I can. I'm 45 year old. I cannot play just randomly, and you know, I have to structure it because I'm an adult. And I'm sure it will help you too. See you next time.